Hello everyone, good evening. In this video today, I am talking to you about how you can make money from your WhatsApp status. How you can make money from your WhatsApp status. I've seen people talking about how you can make money from Facebook ads. Some have spoken about how you can make money from TikTok ads. Some have spoken about how you can make money from Instagram ads and many like that, even YouTube ads and YouTube and Instagram and other places. But there is a neglected source of promoting content that people have not looked at, and that is WhatsApp status. Instagram is making your material or your ads you are producing or your content to reach people that know you or that don't know you. Those people are just scrolling away. The same thing with Facebook, the same thing with TikTok, the same thing with other social media platforms. But when it comes to WhatsApp, these are people in your contact. And these people in your contact, the moment they see what you are sharing on your WhatsApp status, they know you, they trust you. Immediately, they can direct message you. They don't need to go through any barrier. There's no barrier, no holds barred. They contact you and then immediately the discussion can start one-on-one. But in the case of the other platforms, it is not that way. There's a lot of bottlenecks that you have to go through. You know, sometimes somebody is making an ad on TikTok or Instagram, and I want to follow up on that, what they are talking about. And then what you see is that the question will come up, you are about to leave Telegram. Are you sure you want to go to Facebook or you want to go to WhatsApp? Then you have to click yes. And the moment you click yes, it will now take you to the WhatsApp, or it will take you to other platforms where you can talk to the person one-on-one, especially WhatsApp. Now, that shows you the power of WhatsApp and the power not just of WhatsApp but of WhatsApp status. Anything you put on your WhatsApp status will stay there for 24 hours, and then you have to put another one in after 24 hours, and then it will keep running for every 24 hours. I've seen an individual who makes money by promoting any of your content for 24 hours it takes 1,000 naira for promoting just one content from you for 24 hours, and it charges 1,000. What it means is that all his followers, all the people that are following him, they are going to see you on his WhatsApp status, or going to see the business is advertising on his WhatsApp status, and they can go for that business or they may not go for that business. The people on Instagram, TikTok, they are looking for fun. They are looking for certain things, and then there's a kind of fastness in it. In fact, I've seen some videos in recent time. When they started the video, they will just say, hey, I want to talk to you about this, and this thing is important. They are still describing into 1 minute. Then I click away. I want a video who will go straight to the point and tell me what I need to know or I need to do. And this happens in the case of WhatsApp status. The WhatsApp status points them that this and this and this are what can happen. And immediately the person click on reply or something, it comes to your DM, and then the person leaves a message. Already the conversation have started in that case. That is why I want to teach you today how you can make money. I've laid the preamble to show you the power of WhatsApp ads, WhatsApp advertisement or WhatsApp status, which people have not taken note of. Now, just this evening, I checked what my wife and my daughter were sharing on their WhatsApp status, and I saw that they were sharing things that they see as something that is fanciful to them, interesting to them. And I've been thinking of teaching them how to make money using their WhatsApp status. So as I'm making this video now, indirectly, I'm also teaching them how to make money on WhatsApp. And immediately after I finish this video, that is going to form our discussion in my family, how they can monetize their WhatsApp. I have made more than 1,000 videos on my YouTube channel, and I have other content everywhere. If only they can just take 5 videos on my channel per day, put it on their WhatsApp status, I can give them 500 naira per day. And if many people are coming like that for this video, normally it should be 1 For one, you should take 1,000. If you are putting anybody's content or anybody's information, anybody's advert or anything leading to somebody on your WhatsApp status, you charge them 1,000 for every 24 hours. And after 24 hours, if they want to continue, charge another 1,000. And that is what is good. Now, let's say that you put somebody's video on your WhatsApp status for 5 of the person's video. That's 5 hours in 24 hours. And that is 5 times 30. That means in a month, you're going to make 150,000 if you keep getting it like that back to back. So sometimes you can get 6, sometimes you can get up to 10. If you check my WhatsApp status as I'm making this video, I've put so many of my videos, even though I've done one advert on if people want somebody like a consultant that can help them to train their staff or people that they're working together with, I'm available for that because I am going to do justice to that. So if you don't train them, it is said don't blame them. So a leader is supposed to lead. He's supposed to lead. He's supposed to show the way. And a leader must also have followers. And these followers must be trained. Because if you don't train them, you should not blame them. Now, let's get back to the business on WhatsApp. So if you want me to train your staff or train your people or train you yourself, contact me. I'm going to charge you a token. And then we are going to do it and make it happen. And if it's a big organization that needs somebody to talk to their staff for them, I am also available for that. Now, let me get back to the business that we're talking about. You are about to make money on WhatsApp. You tell people that I can put your content or the link to your content on my WhatsApp status. Any link I put on my WhatsApp status, I am going to charge you 1,000 naira. And if you have like 12 links, and then one person is giving you 12 links to put on his status, maybe every day, so you can give the person a discount of maybe 1 day or 2 days, because for every 12 days you can give the person a discount of 1 day that you put the individual's material on your WhatsApp status. People will view your WhatsApp status, maybe 50 people, 100 people. That is a lot for anyone. That is a lot for any business. If 100 people see what you do and they like it and they click it, I bet you if it is something you are selling, they are going to come to your DM immediately and be asking you how they can buy from you. Now, if what is being spoken about is an opportunity that needs to be paid for, because it is a personal person that is sharing, there are many opportunities flying about on social media, where people will say it's a lie. But here you are the one sharing it on your WhatsApp status on behalf of an individual who has the opportunity. The person have contacted you to help him or her to place that opportunity and the link on your WhatsApp status. What that means is that those people who see it on your status can contact you directly and said, are you sure of this thing you're talking about? What do you know about this thing? Tell us more. And then they will get more information. And then the next thing, they also will take action on it. And then that is going to be it. They will take action and they will get full value for it. But people don't like random people on social media. They don't like really going to them, because if you go to them now, it's another thing they will start saying when you continue your discussion. So this is one of the things that you need to look into, and if you really mean it, you can make a lot of money from your WhatsApp status. So all this one, you're just posting some codes that people don't pay you for on your WhatsApp status. Why can't you start the business today? That if you want me to advertise for you on your WhatsApp status, on my WhatsApp status. So for anyone to advertise on your WhatsApp status, you charge them. Maybe you charge them 1,000 every 24 hours for one of their links or one of their content. So if they have another 1,000, another 1,000. So if you have like 5 or 6 or 7 or 10, you can net in how much is that? 1,000, 10,000 in a day. 10,000 in a day times 30. That is 300,000 in a day. Just by posting links of people or information about them on your WhatsApp status for 24 hours. I hope you understand this, and this is a simple model which many people are not aware of. So make good use of this, and then you will be glad you did. My name is Dr. Oluwengade Titun, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel where I teach you how to make money both online and offline. I make a boast to say that if you keep coming to my channel and watching one of my videos per day for 6 months, your life will be transformed. And if your life is not transformed in that 6 months angle, then you can stop watching this channel. That means I'm not sent to you, but I am sure I am sent to you, and you are going to make it. And not just making it, you make it big. I will see you in the next video where I'll be talking about another way that you can make money. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video for me and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more content like this. Bye for now. Though I've rounded up this very video, I need to let you know that making money is easy, and making money is not also easy. This step I've shown you in this video is simple steps, but some people will say they want to make money from crypto airdrops, playing some games online, and then they keep shifting the posts. One example I have, which I'm going to make a full video about, is Pi Network or PiCoin. I have taken part in it for more than 1 year, but currently I don't see it becoming anything again. Why? Just based on my analysis and their antecedents. People have mined this coin for 7 years. After mining the coin faithfully for 7 years, they now launched February 20, 2025. That is 1 year and 2 months currently, 14 months ago. As of today, they are not listed on major exchanges. That means their use is still limited. At the same time, just of recent, just last week or last 2 weeks, they came out again and said if you don't do two-factor authentication, that you're going to lose your account, you're going to lose anything you have mined. I have been suspicious of many crypto airdrops before, but this very one that Pi Network did